When I think about the last 17 years, I think of this constant periods of particularly you, Greg, like challenging clients and challenging our teams internally about what could be done. And I think about all the people that have pushed back at things. You know, if we go back 10, 15 years ago about some of those ideas and people pushing back and saying, that's not possible. And today, some of those things are either already happening or they're the things they're talking about wanting to do today. And equally, I see today you pushing forward and saying, this is what we could do. And people say, no, that can't be done. But actually what they don't realise is they are doing the things that you said 15 years ago couldn't be done. So I think that as a business, it's really exciting to be pushing like that.
I mean, the things that give you confidence is that, you know, the areas that were so out there when we first started are now, you know, everyday use. And so the people who had to then adopt and change that are the same people now who are going, well, you know, will the next thing work as well? And so they're much more open to the changes than, you know, compared to when we started.
If you can start building up that muscle of being able to cope with uncertainty, cope with ambiguity, cope with being asked to do something you don't think is possible, once you achieve that the first time, the second time becomes a lot easier, and the third time starts to become a skill that you have. If you can have an ability to kind of think beyond what is done today, I think that puts you in a really good position.
As that muscle builds up and people get the general confidence that in this way things can be done, you know, that then changes it and it creates a cultural change, which I think a lot of our clients are going through as well. So they're seeing the results of some of the work, investing more, being more willing to embrace what actually can be done for them.
Some clients, as you well know, that we've been working with for 15 years plus, where we're in this very fortunate position where each year they essentially ask us to partner with them and challenge the way they do business. Rather than come and solve a particular problem that they know they have, they look to us and say, challenge us on the way we do business. Think about new things that we could do or new approaches to the way we've always done our business. And I think that comes from a combination of analytical skills, commercialism and entrepreneurialism, such that we can take ideas to our clients to say, here's a way that we can create value for you, because ultimately otherwise our clients won't be interested in those particular concepts. And it's a good challenge for us, that challenge of having to think about something that's not academically interesting but actually also commercially interesting at the same time as challenging for us is really, it's good fun.